Peace, y'all. It's Chef Danielle from Let's Talk Food, and welcome to the Soul Food series.
So with the burger, you can cut it in half, and then the sauce, mix it up.
Now streaming on all TV streaming platforms, Apple TV, Roku, etc. New episodes every Thursday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, teaching you about that mind-body-soul connection through yoga and meditation, plant-based living. Our prayers have been answered already. So grateful. This is for you. Using food as medicine.
So perfect. Like, wow, the Trinity. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna make a quick and easy cucumber salad. Cauliflower chive biscuit brunch sandwich, all plant-based.
We are getting back to source, getting back to nature.
Plant-based cinnamon rolls. Taking this stone to crack the shell of the almond open, because nature just provides everything for us in abundance, y'all.
Food is consciousness. Remember, it is now time for us to get back to nature, taking our health and wellness into our own hands. So be sure to tap in every Thursday, 7 p.m. and tell a friend.
System, the processed foods, McDonald's. Why is there a McDonald's on this island? Why is there a Wendy's? Why is there fast food here when the land is producing all of this goodness for us? The land is producing all of our medicine. Peace, y'all. It's Danielle from Let's Talk Food, and today we are talking about this beautiful plant cheese board. We have some baba ganoush on here, some heirloom tomatoes with cashew cheese, fresh basil. We have some spelt flatbread, all kind of greatness on here. I love making plant cheese boards because it is just a way to express your creativity, make use of Mother Nature's abundance. It literally is the epitome of abundance. All this greatness on here. Keep watching to learn how to create this. So to create your plant cheese board, you first want to start by preparing your baba ganoush. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees and take your eggplant and cut it vertically like so. Then you want to take a baking sheet, coat it with grapeseed or avocado oil. You don't need parchment paper, but I'm just using it. And then you want to cover your eggplant with a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, a 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, and a 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt. And then you want to add 5 to 7 cloves of garlic, I like to pour a little bit of oil on top of the eggplant as well, and then we will roast this in the oven. So for your spelt flatbread, you have 1 cup of spelt flour here in a medium-sized bowl, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, 1 teaspoon of black or white sesame seeds, and 1 teaspoon of za'atar seasoning. Then you want to add your tablespoon of coconut oil, with a latex glove, stir in a 1/4 cup of water. was 1/4 cup of water. And it's perfect. Once you've poured in your 1/4 cup of water, you can just stir and create it to be a dough. So after you've poured your 1/4 cup of water, your dough becomes a dough. Once you use that latex glove and stir in all the ingredients. And to make your flatbread, all you need to do is pull those dough pieces apart like so. And we will fry them on the stove in coconut oil for about 2 to 3 minutes per side between low and medium heat, or until they are golden brown on each side. So right now I'm just adding some coconut oil in this pan. Once your oil is hot, you can place your flatbread pieces on there, like so. And flip them with a spatula, golden brown, just like so. So we have our cashew mozzarella cheese that we are just going to slice here. Be careful with your knife. I am a pro. My knife is part of me. It's like a limb, so I be knowing how to work with her. And we're just gonna get some pieces of this cashew mozzarella cheese here. I really love the ingredients of this, which is why I even go out and purchase it pre-made. You can always make your own. That's always the best way. With our tomatoes. Cashew mozzarella like so. Basil smells so good. And some fresh basil leaves like so. So fresh. And this, you guys, is my creative expression as I make this plant cheese board. You can always flex how you flex. Get creative with this. This is only one variation of a plant cheese board. This is definitely something dope to serve at brunch. There you go. And some crushed black peppercorns like that. Olives here. Maybe even some cashews on our plant cheese board. Maybe even some dates and some raspberries. We're gonna add some grapes here. Make sure your grapes are seeded, please, Lord. Then we will add some dragon fruit. Looking all beautiful. I'm about to do some quick avocado art here. Twisting it around like so. A little mini avocado rose will go here like so. Sprinkling just a little bit of some blue spirulina on this avocado here. So once your eggplant is fully roasted, you can take all of this and put it in the blender. I'm gonna first take off these garlic pieces, pop them in the blender, like so. Bottom that does not need to be wasted, you can go ahead and just scoop that up like so. And then you want to take the tip of the eggplant like this and scoop out the flesh. Yum, yum, yum. It smells so good. Scooping out the flesh of the eggplant for our baba ganoush. Just like so. You can dispose of the skins, give it back to nature. If you happen to have tortoises, they might like them, honestly. Okay, or other animals that like this kind of stuff, so you don't have to waste it. Like so. Pulling out the flesh, but no animals are harmed. Okay, and we're gonna take all of this eggplant flesh like this and put it in the blender. Like so. I just have the rest of the oil in the parchment paper, just like that, pouring it in the blender. In addition to our seasoned roasted eggplant, we are going to add a 1/4 cup of tahini, into the blender, and the squeeze of 1 whole lemon. And we are going to blend this out until it is fully smooth. You can blend this out until it's fully smooth, either in a blender or a food processor. Looking smooth. And we're gonna take our super smooth baba ganoush. You can pour it in a cast iron skillet, or however you want to serve it, you can pour it in that. I'm going to add a bit of olive oil for garnish, like so. And some pomegranate seeds. Abundance in all forms. So I love plant cheese boards because they are the epitome of abundance in all forms. Any brunch event that you have, well, this will certainly bring a smile to people's face.